Doesn't that mean you could smell farts now?
Well, I always could smell them, but this may make them even more stanky. Ew! So a couple days ago, I got hit with a cold. Nothing crazy, but enough to completely stuff me up at night. So when I heard about these nasal strips from Intake Breathing, I had to give them a try. Okay, so the first night I used one, I slept way better than I normally do when I'm stuffed up. And since that works so well, I was curious and started testing them during my Zone 2 cardio and my HIIT workouts too. So did it help? Well, I'm gonna share everything with you in today's episode of Live Lean TV, including my full, honest intake breathing review. And to be respectful of your time, I've included timestamps to each section in the description below. So let's start with the basics. Intake breathing makes a magnetic nasal strip that acts as a nasal dilator. So it sits on the outside of your nose and physically holds your nostrils open wider so you can get more air with every breath. And the first time you put one on, you feel it immediately. I can smell rainbows! You don't realize how restricted your breathing was until you feel the difference. So now here's where things got interesting. I started using these intake breathing bands because of a cold. But what kept me using them had nothing to do with being sick. Once I felt the benefits of better breathing during sleep while I was stuffed up, I got curious and started testing them during my Zone 2 and HIIT workouts. And what I noticed shocked me. Even though I pushed just as hard as always, my heart rate stayed lower than normal during the whole session. And I didn't change anything except what was on my nose. So when your lungs aren't fighting for air, everything gets easier. Now let me take you back to why I started using these in the first place. If you've ever tried to sleep while completely stuffed up, you know how brutal that is. And that's the reason why I started using these intake breathing bands. When I'm sick with a cold, no matter how exhausted I feel, I could never get the proper sleep and recovery my body needed. And when I finally did fall asleep, it's only for a short, light stage of sleep because I wake up in the middle of the night feeling worse than when I went to bed. However, the first night I put on an intake breathing band, I slept way better than I ever had when I was sick. So intake breathing bands physically hold your nostrils open wider so you can get more air with every breath. And when you're actually breathing properly, your body can finally do what it's supposed to do at night: recover. And it's not just congestion these help with. If your partner has ever nudged you awake at 2 a.m. or you're waking up with a dry mouth feeling like you barely slept, your breathing at night might be the problem. Even though I don't snore. Hey. Just to confirm, I don't snore, right?
One time in our whole
I don't snore.
Yeah, only once ever.
I was shocked to see on Intake's website that 88% of users of Intake reported a reduction in snoring. So snoring happens when your airway gets restricted and air has to force its way through, which causes that vibration and noise. These intake breathing bands physically hold your nostrils open wider so you get more air with every breath. And more nasal airflow means less mouth breathing, which means less turbulence, quieter nights, and deeper, more restorative sleep. And when you're sleeping deeper, your body is recovering harder. That means better training, more energy, and sharper focus the next day. Now, I want to speak to a specific group of people for a second. So if you have one nostril that always feels more blocked than the other, not just when you're sick, every single day, you might have a deviated septum and not even realize it. So a deviated septum is basically when the cartilage inside your nose sits off to one side, which restricts the airflow through one nostril, so you're constantly operating at half capacity. Now, I don't have a deviated septum myself. However, a consistent thing they tell me is that keeping both nostrils as open as possible from the outside makes a real noticeable difference, especially at night when they're trying to get a good quality sleep. Now, intake strips aren't going in and fixing anything structurally, but maximizing the amount of airflow that you already have is sometimes all you need. And that's why these intake breathing bands are worth trying if you're looking for a simple place to start. All right, so if you want to try these, here's what you need to know first. Most people, including myself, put these intake breathing bands on wrong the first time. Here's exactly how to get it right. So the intake breathing starter kit comes with the 4 most commonly worn sizes. The easiest way to find the right size for you is to hold the band up to your nostrils. The right size is the one where the inside of the band just barely touches the widest part of your nostrils. Too small and it won't open things up. Too big and the tabs may start pulling off. So getting the size right is the difference between feeling a little relief and feeling everything better. So once you've got your size, here's how to put them on correctly. So 90% of people, including myself, put these intake breathing bands on wrong the first time. Here's a quick placement guide to ensure they open your nose properly. So to ensure the tabs stick to your skin, always clean and dry your nose first. Then place one adhesive tab on each side of your nose so the magnetic disc is just above the nostril. The contoured indent on the tab is positioned away from the bridge of your nose. Then rub them in so they grip to the skin. For the firmest fit, wait 3 to 5 minutes for the adhesive to set before adding the band. Then position the band with the shark fins pointing up, then place it on your nose. That's it. And when it's sitting right, you generally forget it's even there. And that's when you know you've got it dialed in. And I'll share the discount link in the description for 15% off, which is automatically applied, no discount code needed. And drop a comment below to let me know, have you ever tried nasal strips before, whether it's the intake or any other brand? And tap the like and subscribe button for new content every week. To continue your Live Lean journey, go watch the episode right down here on the best science-backed sleep products for deeper, more restorative sleep. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.